And I just want to show you how this pump saver works. I've already shot it 3 times through there. We'll go ahead and do it another time, show you what it does. Anyway, according to the information I got, that helps clean out your pump, gets debris out of there. Also, that's how you winterize it. Okay, that's my Jeep out for now. That's my Jeep update. Still Tuesday, I believe it's October 5th, 2021. And it's in the early afternoon, about 12:30, 1 o'clock. And this is my Jeep again, but I'm not really working on the Jeep today. I'm trying to get my garage squared away. Working on my, tuning up my pressure washer, because I'm pressure wash this wall over here and this side of the garage. Prepare it for painting the floor. And I really messed it up working on my Jeep in here. Anyway, there's the old Jeep out there. It's just sitting. Anyway, yeah, I got the bike out. Got the white bull sitting out there in the sun. It needs to be washed too. Everything's probably going to stay outside, except for small stuff, you know. Maybe able to get my motorcycle back in here, because I'm not going to do that side if I paint today. I'm going to do this half over here, let it dry. I can still probably put the bike back in over there. And any my tools and air compressor, stuff like that that's valuable and have to worry about getting stolen. But anyway, that's where I'm at. I'll give you an update later. Anyway, what I'm going to do is my pump is not working properly, and I'm going to try to use this stuff. It's called Pump Saver. And you hook it up to the inlet, I believe, on the pump, where you put the water hose, and you use, I think you shoot it until you see it coming out the outlet through the pump there. That's supposed to clean it out. And it's also a way you winterize if you're up in colder climates. Don't have to worry about that down here in Florida, but it does need to be cleaned out. So I'm gonna give it a shot, see what happens. That's my Jeep out for now. And this is my Jeep update for October 6th, Wednesday, and it's 2021 still. And this ought to bore you. Anyway, I'm still working on my garage maintenance. You know, all stuff that I did to my garage floor and surrounding, working on that Jeep, because it has leaks and I drop fluids when changing stuff. But anyway, I'm working on it. Try to get this thing back into shape, because if I do bring it back in the garage later, I will. I got plenty of plastic I can put down on the floor. But anyway, that's just a quick update. I'm getting ready, you can see, rollers, paint brushes. Here's some white paint I'm gonna touch up all along that bottom, you know, with white. Then I'll come back with the gray, my concrete gray, and I'll touch up along the bottom, you know, to keep it as clean as possible from getting up on the wall. You can see there, 5 gallons of concrete gray paint. And anyway, we'll see how it goes. Bore you with a little garage maintenance, and that's my Jeep out update later. Garage maintenance update to Wednesday, October 6, 2021. Yeah, a little more boring content. You see, I started my painting. Did a little trim work over there on the wall with the white. And I'd like to have the whole garage cleared out, but I just don't have nowhere to put it. I'd have the HOA on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to have to, there's going to be some streaks in this. So I'm gonna have to put a second coat on it. It'll probably be dry enough in a couple hours, and I'll hit it again. And then this evening, I'll let that dry, and hopefully I'll be able to. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. I'll probably just move what I can back over in this area and let this dry good, and then tomorrow I'll move all of this over there on the wall. So Expedition's gonna have to stay out for a couple of days. And anyway, that's a My Jeep update for some boring content, garage maintenance, and I'll update you later. Out. And afternoon, it's My Jeep, October 7th, Thursday, 2021. And I'm still on garage maintenance, boring content, but starting to make a little progress. They got this side painted today. I got junk everywhere. Anyway, I'm gonna have to let this dry till about dark, and then I'm gonna move a few of my items, valuable items in. Probably put them on that side. I painted that side again, but I left several feet, about 2 feet or so, maybe 3 feet. Down the side over there where I can put my toolbox, motorcycle, air compressor, a couple things like that, pressure washer, and then I'll pull my 3 vehicles back in the driveway to block everything. Okay, anyway, that's a My Jeep update for boring content. My Jeep out. And this is My Jeep again, just a couple minutes later. I just thought I'd get it from this side. Everything's out on the curb and in the driveway and on the opposite side of the garage. I started on this. I'm gonna paint the driveway too, so I'll probably be on this through the weekend. But anyway, as you can see, I've got a second coat on that one, and I'll put it on real heavy over there, but I will be doing some touch-up work, and I got trim to do, some white painting to do also. All right, that's My Jeep out for now. And this is My Jeep last update for today, Thursday, October 7th, 2021. My Jeep garage maintenance. Okay, I got the garage floor painted. Anyway, I got it all painted, and I've got 2 coats on that side over there, but only one on, let's see, one on this side. So tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just push everything over to that side, and from about here over, I have to move this stuff about here over. I'll put another, I'm gonna put a heavy coat on it. And then anything else left to do in the garage and garage floor, I can touch up from time to time. And I did a small section of the drive. I was so wore out with that pressure wash.